To view VA decision letters online, start by going to va.gov and sign in using the available options. At the top of the website, click on VA Benefits and Healthcare, which will prompt a drop-down menu to appear. From this menu, select Disability, and then check your claim status. Search for the specific claim you are looking for, keeping in mind that if the claim is still pending, the decision letter may not be available. However, if a decision has been made, the status will be listed as closed, and these claims are available for download. To view the VA decision letter, click on View Details and then select Get Your Claim Letters on the next page. This will generate a list of letters sent by the VA, arranged chronologically with the most recent one at the top. Choose the decision letter you need to view, and it will be downloaded as a PDF file that you can access. By following these steps, you can easily view your VA decision letters online.